Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to use a secured credit card with a $200 limit in 2025. If you're new to credit or rebuilding your score, a secured card is a fantastic starting point. It's essentially a credit card backed by your own deposit, in this case, $200, which acts as your credit limit. This setup helps you build good credit habits without the high risks. First things first, let's get you set up. Start by choosing a reputable secured credit card issuer. In 2025, look for options with low fees and rewards programs to maximize your benefits. Once approved, make your $200 deposit. This secures your limit and gets your card activated. Now, onto using it wisely. Treat this card like any other. Use it for everyday purchases, but keep your spending under control. For example, if your limit is $200, aim to charge no more than 30% of it, so that's about $60, to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. This is crucial because credit bureaus love to see responsible behavior. Always pay your bill on time. Set up automatic payments if you can, to avoid interest charges and late fees. In 2025, many apps integrate with banks for easy reminders, so take advantage of that tech. Track your progress by checking your credit report regularly. Most cards report to the 3 major bureaus, helping boost your score over time. A pro tip: use your card for small, recurring expenses like gas or subscriptions, but never for cash advances, as they come with high fees. After 6 to 12 months of on-time payments, you might even qualify to upgrade to an unsecured card. Remember, the goal is to build a strong financial foundation. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to better credit in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.